guys, so welcome to my video. And today, one of my subscribers, I'll show you it. Oh yeah, this is one of my friends. Oh, where did y'all go? Okay, here you guys are. So here is one of my friends' thing, and yeah, she said, "How did you do a thumbnail?" And I'm about to show her. I'm about to show you guys actually as well. It's like she's not the only one I care about. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. I'm scared. Wait, can you guys see my screen? Okay, good. Okay, I think you guys can. So, like, I use this website called VMs. I don't know. So here I am. This is like one of the starting things. So if you don't like it, wait, hold on. I'm about to actually make this thing a little bit big. Bigger is better. What the heck? Okay, but I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna make my thing bigger, but you guys can see the details. Okay, guys. I can't make this bigger, but I'm gonna move you guys over here. So, right here, do you see all the basic, the graph, photos, data, and stuff? Go to my files, but like this ain't your file, just like this is mine. So you have to go to add file, and you get to pick any picture I want, but I'm going to just set this one as my background and delete this one. Delete. So, oh, sorry, oops. Okay. So you will act like you want to keep that thing, you just do that. And if you want to keep this here, you can just keep it there. But I want to do this, like right here, like this, and then I'm going to move this there, no, there. So here, so you say write whatever you want, like this. Okay, I said help the world with kindness. And yeah, okay. Now let's help the world by kindness by liking and subscribing. Liking and subscribing. Yes, I did not know how to write subscribing, so yeah, don't judge how I spelled it. Okay, so here I am. Now I'm gonna say watch now. Watch now. Boom. And that's all you have to do, basically. Easy as pie. But I do not know how to do that long thing like those people do with their Roblox characters. So yeah, do not ask me to teach you guys that, because I don't know how to. But then I'm going to bring you guys somewhere else. Right here, you see the upgrade, the percent, the share and download. Click the download, and here you have your download and stuff. You click download, of course, and then it's downloading and downloading and downloading and downloading and download. Wait, I want to cancel this one. Don't do it twice like I did. One more time. And I said, and then it says, scanning. we're scanning for download just for safe. Just to be safe. So yeah, do that. If you want to have like an intro or something like that, I don't know how you do that. But, you know, make your own intro. Be creative. And then all you have to do is open your file. You have to be on PC for this, by the way. So yeah, open your file. Because I don't know, because I'm on PC and yeah. My file is loading, so yeah, don't think that it's just black and it's gonna stay black. No, it's not going to stay black, people. It's going to go to. Okay, hold on. Let me move it so you guys can see. Okay, there. Oops. One more time. I was disconnected for 20 minutes. I don't care. I do not care. I will be disconnected if I wanted to be disconnected. Guys, here is the beautiful picture. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Help the world with kindness by subscribing. Help the world with kindness by subscribing. That's all I have to do. Bye.